What I've learned is that the Ugandans whom thought some of us that they can't do much to transform themselves, they have the potential to do even better than some of us who are in positions of responsibility. Because when you visit this family, you see from 1 million what they've managed to do. I mean, it's really, really amazing. Because many people look at 1 million as pocket change, but to these people, it's transformative. So we need to continue supporting this program. I hope the cabinet, after this tour, will sit down, make a review, and out of that review, they will determine what more support we should give. We as Parliament, we are ready. This is a very, very critical program that is going to kick out many people out of poverty. So we are ready. We are going to put in all the effort. Now, we also urge people, those who have been giving bribes so that they can be given priority on the list and all that, we need them to put in a lot of effort.